Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The P0746 error code indicates that the continuously variable transmission CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve is stuck in the off position. This valve is crucial for regulating the pressure of the transmission fluid, which in turn impacts the overall functionality of the CVT. Located within the valve body assembly of the transmission, the solenoid is responsible for varying the fluid pressure necessary for optimal gear shifting. When it becomes stuck, it prevents proper transmission engagement, leading to potential performance issues in the vehicle. Before initiating any troubleshooting steps, it is essential to review the general troubleshooting information, as it can provide additional insights that are vital for an effective repair process. Understanding this error code will help pinpoint issues related to the transmission system that may affect vehicle operation and safety. The CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve plays a vital role in managing the hydraulic pressure within the transmission. Proper fluid pressure is necessary for smooth gear transitions and overall vehicle performance. This solenoid valve is located within the valve body assembly, which houses various components that control the operation of the CVT. The valve functions by receiving electrical signals that dictate its opening and closing behavior, ultimately regulating the amount of transmission fluid sent to the drive pulleys. When the solenoid valve is stuck off, it may prevent fluid from reaching the necessary areas within the transmission, causing issues like slipping or harsh shifts. If these problems arise, it is essential to address them promptly to avoid further damage. Several factors can trigger the P0746 code. One primary cause is a malfunctioning CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve itself, which may have internal failures preventing proper operation. Additionally, issues with the transmission fluid, such as low levels or contamination, can interfere with the solenoid's ability to regulate pressure. Mechanical failures within the transmission, such as worn components, can also lead to a misreading or failure of the solenoid. Lastly, wiring or connectivity issues, such as damaged connectors or faulty wiring harnesses, can disrupt the electrical signals needed for the solenoid valve's operation. Each of these possible causes must be evaluated methodically during troubleshooting. The symptoms associated with DTC P0746 can be quite noticeable. Drivers may experience poor acceleration due to insufficient fluid pressure for engagement, which directly affects the transmission's performance. Additionally, you may notice transmission slipping, where the vehicle unexpectedly loses drive or lags during acceleration. Unusual noises, such as grinding or whirring sounds, might indicate mechanical issues stemming from the solenoid's failure. Dashboard warning lights, especially the check engine light, typically light up when the system detects an error, signaling the driver to take action. If these symptoms appear, a thorough inspection is warranted to diagnose and rectify the underlying issues promptly. The first troubleshooting step involves checking the transmission fluid, specifically HCF2, crucial for CVT operation. Start by warming up the engine until the radiator fan activates twice, signaling that the engine is at normal operating temperature. Next, ensure that the CVT is filled to the appropriate level, as inadequate fluid can exacerbate issues. Additionally, inspect the fluid for any leaks that may compromise the transmission system. Once the initial checks are complete, drain the transmission fluid through the strainer and inspect the strainer for metal debris or excessive clutch material. These indicators can reveal the internal condition of the transmission components and guide the next steps in repair. In the second step, the DTC should be cleared using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the system. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode. Then proceed to erase any stored DTCs. After clearing the codes, conduct a test drive, accelerating the vehicle in D position until reaching a speed of 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. Then decelerate and stop completely. Following this initial test, repeat the driving procedure to ensure consistent observations. Post-test drive, check again using the HDS for any pending or confirmed DTCs. This step is crucial as it helps confirm whether the malfunction persists and whether further investigation is needed. Final repair verification is necessary to confirm that the issue has been successfully resolved. This involves checking that the DTC P0746 is no longer indicated in the system. Subsequently, evaluate the transmission's performance by testing the acceleration and responsiveness under various driving conditions. Additionally, it is essential to observe whether any warning lights reappear on the dashboard, as these can signal ongoing concerns. If all parameters are met and smooth operation is achieved without error codes, the repair can be considered complete. Proper documentation of the repair and verification process is always recommended to maintain service records. Preventive maintenance is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of the CVT system. Regularly checking the transmission fluid level and condition can help prevent issues from arising. It's also recommended to perform routine transmission inspections to identify any wear or damage before they become critical. Always use the manufacturer's recommended transmission fluids, such as HCF2, to ensure compatibility and optimal function of the system. Keeping an eye on the electrical connections related to the solenoid valve can prevent electrical failures. Implementing these practices can greatly enhance the reliability of your Honda Fit's transmission over time. In conclusion, understanding the operation of the CVT and its components is vital for effective troubleshooting. Following the systematic steps outlined for the P0746 code, from fluid checks to post-repair verification, can significantly improve diagnostic accuracy. Recognizing symptoms early can lead to timely repairs, preventing further damage and enhancing vehicle safety. Regular maintenance practices, including fluid inspections and using specified fluids, can help in avoiding issues related to the CVT system. Ultimately, maintaining awareness of the components and their roles will empower you to take informed actions for your Honda Fit, ensuring its efficiency and reliability on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.